Hubei Jinlong Group is located in Suzhou, Hubei, which is a famous historical and cultural city in China. The magnificent historical culture promotes the development of Jinlong Group. Established in 1998, the group has been dedicated to making a piece of fabric professionally for more than 30 years. It is the earliest manufacturer of tarpaulin material in China, the designated manufacturer of China Railway Corporation and the Strategic Reserve Enterprise of Emergency Industrial Materials in China. It has become the pioneer and leader in the industry of industrial fabric. Hubei Jinlong Group covers an area of 400,000 square meters. The company has more than 1,000 employees and an annual output value of over 400 million. Is the only enterprise of large-scale, new high-end indoor and outdoor advertising consumables and industrial fabric materials in China that integrates textile, calendaring, white coating, and coating production. The company's domestic market share reaches more than 40%. We export products over 80 countries and regions, such as Europe and America, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Africa, South America, and other countries and regions. We have established a long-term business relationship with Amazon, DHL, the United Nations, Red Cross Society of China, China Railway Corporation, many governments, and other customers to achieve a win-win situation. Inch by inch, millimeter by millimeter, the creation of a civilization can be seen. Across the length and breadth is where the craftsmanship lies. Jinlong Group only makes quality products. Procurement of the raw material is strictly carried out, and the production process follows strict quality control policy. For each batch of production, we conduct a quality inspection on material contained, tearing strength, water resistance, and fireproof ability. Only all the performance indicators are qualified can become the product of Jinlong Group. The company has passed TÜV verified ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification, GB T28001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification, SGS certification, SONCAP certification, and CRCC China Railways production certification. We adopt an advanced technology and equipment to achieve multi-product and cross-industry scale model. The company has more than 100 sets of fabric weaving machines, 6 sets PVC film calendaring machines, 2 sets of printing machines, 13 sets of coating lines, 4 sets of hot laminating lines, 8 sets of laminating machines, and 2 sets of drop stitch lines, 2 sets of TPU lines, 2 floor bonding lines, and 2 lacquering lines. The company's annual output of various kinds of cover fabric, industrial fabric, decorative advertising materials reaches hundreds of millions of square meters. We have 6-meter loom machine and 6-meter coating production line, which is the widest coating fabric production line in China. We also have the largest lacquering capacity of PVC and TPU coated tarpaulin, and can produce the world's widest advertising materials, tarpaulin. Our products include advertising materials, tarpaulin materials, airtight materials, tent materials, building decoration materials, and can be customized according to customer requirements of all kinds of finished products, such as PVC tarps, flexible water tank, PVC lay-flat hose, inflatable tent. Our products are widely used in military, emergency, transportation, industry, agriculture, culture and sports, environmental protection, medical, civil, and other fields. We have more than 1,000 kinds of PVC soft materials, PVC flooring, and TPU products. We have excellent professional team who is committed to controlling the quality strictly and providing considerate service for customers. We provide nanny-like tracking service for guaranteeing the product quality and provide customers multi-dimensional integrated one-step procurement service system with comprehensive product consulting, expert solutions, R&D and design, OEM, ODM, brand manufacturing, quality inspection and control, global shipment, worry-free after-sales service. Guided by the group's innovative thinking, Hubei Jinglong Group has established industry university research bases, engineering master training bases, postdoctoral mobile workstations, provincial polymer laboratories, and Hubei Jinglong Soft Coating Material Research Institute, with National University of Defense Technology and China Academy of Railway Sciences. We have introduced new technology from Italy, Germany, and other countries, and created a professional research and development team with strong scientific research ability, rich experience, and independent research and development ability, striving for the leading position of international industrial user industry. As one of the high-tech enterprises with diversified development and collectivized management, we will focus on industry development and global customer service, adhere to honesty, high efficiency, cooperation, and win-win business philosophy, and invite overseas agents from all over the world. We work together to build new forms and become better in production base for multi-field products in emergency industries. We believe Hubei Jinglong beyond you imagine. We will continue to develop in the world trade and become a new benchmark in the industry of industrial fabric.